Discovering hidden gems. The top hybrid RV camping destinations in the U.S. Embarking on a hybrid RV camping adventure allows you to explore the vast and diverse landscapes of the United States. From breathtaking national parks to picturesque coastal towns, the country is filled with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, history buff, or adventure seeker, there are numerous hybrid RV camping destinations that offer unique experiences and unforgettable memories. In this article, we'll explore some of the top hybrid RV camping destinations in the U.S. that should be on every traveler's bucket list. 1. Glacier National Park, Montana. Known as the crown of the continent, Glacier National Park offers a stunning blend of alpine meadows, towering mountains, and pristine lakes. The park features several campgrounds suitable for hybrid RVs, such as the popular Apgar Campground and Many Glacier Campground. Explore the iconic Going to the Sun Road, hike along the park's numerous trails, and witness the awe-inspiring glaciers that give the park its name. 2. Acadia National Park, Maine. Located on Mount Desert Island, Acadia National Park boasts a rugged coastline, dense forests, and granite peaks. The Blackwoods Campground and Seawall Campground provide RV-friendly sites with easy access to the park's trails and scenic drives. Take a hike up Cadillac Mountain, cycle along the carriage roads, and savor panoramic views from the top of the park's iconic rocky cliffs. 3. Sedona, Arizona. Nestled amidst the stunning red rock formations of Arizona, Sedona offers a unique blend of natural beauty, spiritual energy, and outdoor adventures. The Rancho Sedona RV Park and Sedona View RV Resort are excellent options for hybrid RV camping. Immerse yourself in the vibrant art scene, go hiking or mountain biking in the nearby trails, and witness the famous Sedona sunsets that bathe the landscape in a warm, golden glow. 4. Great Smoky Mountains National Park, Tennessee and North Carolina. As the most visited national park in the U.S., the Great Smoky Mountains National Park encompasses a vast expanse of lush forests, cascading waterfalls, and diverse wildlife. The park offers several campgrounds, including the Cades Cove Campground and Elkmont Campground, with RV-accessible sites. Explore the park's scenic drives, go hiking along the Appalachian Trail, and discover the rich cultural history of the region. 5. Olympic National Park, Washington. With its stunning coastline, temperate rainforests, and snow-capped mountains, Olympic National Park offers a diverse and captivating landscape. The Soul Duck Hot Springs Resort and the Claylock Campground provide RV camping options within or near the park. Discover the rugged beaches, hike through old-growth forests, and soak in natural hot springs for a truly unique experience. 6. Moab, Utah. Situated in the heart of Red Rock Country, Moab is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers. The Portal RV Resort and Moab Valley RV Resort and Campground offer convenient access to the area's attractions. Explore the breathtaking Arches National Park, go off-roading in the iconic desert landscapes of Canyonlands National Park, and experience the adrenaline rush of mountain biking on the world-famous Slick Rock Trail. 7. Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Known for its charming coastal towns, sandy beaches, and picturesque lighthouses, Cape Cod is a beloved summer destination. Shawnee Crowell State Forest and Nickerson State Park provide RV camping opportunities near the Cape. Enjoy leisurely beach days, visit historic landmarks like the Cape Cod National Seashore, and indulge in fresh seafood from the local markets. 8. Rocky Mountain National Park, Colorado. Nestled in the heart of the Rockies, Rocky Mountain National Park showcases majestic peaks, alpine meadows, and pristine lakes. The Moraine Park Campground and Glacier Basin Campground offer RV-friendly sites within the park. Drive along the scenic Trail Ridge Road, hike to iconic destinations like Dream Lake and Alberta Falls, and spot wildlife like elk and bighorn sheep. 9. Key West, Florida. If you're seeking a tropical RV camping experience, Key West is the place to be. Boyd's Key West Campground and Leo's Campground provide RV sites close to the island's attractions. Enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of Duval Street, visit the Ernest Hemingway Home and Museum, and soak up the sun on the beautiful beaches. Don't forget to witness the breathtaking sunset at Mallory Square. 10. Yosemite National Park, California. Renowned for its towering granite cliffs, majestic waterfalls, and ancient sequoia groves, Yosemite National Park is a must-visit destination. The Upper Pines Campground and Lower Pines Campground accommodate RVs and offer convenient access to the park's iconic landmarks. Hike to the top of Half Dome, marvel at the beauty of Yosemite Valley, and capture the stunning vistas of Tunnel View. These are just a few of the many incredible hybrid RV camping destinations across the United States. Each location offers its own unique blend of natural wonders, outdoor activities, and cultural experiences. Whether you prefer serene mountains, coastal retreats, or desert landscapes, there's a hybrid RV camping destination that will capture your heart and provide unforgettable adventures. So, pack up your RV, hit the road, and get ready to discover the hidden gems that await you in the diverse landscapes of the U.S. Camping is our happy place.